Hello everyone and welcome to Car Nuts. Today we are going to be changing the belts in this 300D because they are slightly squeaky. Belts are an easy job, so I don't think this video is going to be very long, but if you are interested, stay tuned. So in order to remove the AC belt right here, we have to remove the tension from this tensioner right here. There is a bolt behind, and the belt will then be loose and we will be able to take it off, and hopefully we will find a new one because parts are a bit hard to find. So I have removed the AC belt, and in order for the AC belt to come off, the one that goes on the crank had to come off, and since I've removed these two, I decided to remove the one that goes on the alternator as well, just to change all of them because these are really old belts and belts can leave you stranded. So yeah, let's go to the parts store and hopefully we'll find some new belts right there. So I went to the store and I found some new belts. I've checked that all of them are the same size, so it's time to put them back on the car and hopefully the squeaking goes away. So the new belts are in. This took a bit longer than it should have taken but this is the first time I actually changed belts, so it took me some time to figure out how the tensioning works, but I think everything is fine now and there is no squeaking from the belts anymore. So that's a good sign. So this is everything for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.